Ever feel like your phone owns you? You pick it up for one quick check, and suddenly 30 minutes disappear. Your focus is shattered, and your best intentions for productivity just vanish. You're not alone. In fact, research from Rescue Time found the average person checks their phone 58 times a day, and smartphone notifications are a leading cause of daily interruptions. We've all been there, stuck in that mental fog from endless scrolling. But here's the truth. Neuroscience shows you can train your mind to resist these distractions and reclaim your time. It's not about ditching your phone entirely. It's about learning to use it with intention. Let me share 2 simple science-backed shifts that could change your relationship with your device. First, create phone-free zones or times. Seriously, your bedroom? Make it a no-phone zone, especially for the hour before bed. Blue light from screens can disrupt your sleep and reduce your body's melatonin production. Your dinner table? Keep phones away. Even just spending the first 30 minutes of your morning without screens can set a calmer tone for your day. It's not about deprivation. It's about reclaiming space for deeper rest, quality connections, and mental clarity. Imagine waking up to quiet instead of a barrage of messages. Second, turn off non-essential notifications. Those constant pings from social media, news alerts, and apps, they're engineered to hijack your attention. Studies show that disabling non-urgent notifications can significantly boost your ability to focus. Right now, open your settings and silence everything except what's truly critical. This small action lets you decide when to check in. No more jumping to your phone every time it buzzes. Let me share a quick personal story. The first time I made my bedroom a no-phone zone, I started falling asleep faster and woke up feeling genuinely refreshed. That one change helped me focus better all day, and the best part? My mornings actually felt peaceful for once. Try just one of these ideas today. Notice how your energy and attention shift. Then come back and comment below on which change made the biggest difference for you. For more science-backed, practical self-improvement tips, make sure to subscribe now.